All right, in this session, we are going to create a custom brochure for a stand-up paddleboard rental company, a local company here in Montana. We're going to take inspiration from one of these product catalogs I found of the stand-up paddleboards here. So we're going to apply the look and feel of this catalog to a simple 9x12 brochure. Here is the guide that I've downloaded from one of the printers we will use, so that way we have the right file settings out of the gate. And we're going to implement some of their photos and boards that they rent out, things like that, to create a custom trifold brochure that then will be used to place in one of these rack cards that you might have seen at the hotels or different tourist traps here. We'll take a look at what would make an effective brochure, and I'll start from very start to finish, everything from setting up your files, how to design something custom, and then how to ship it to print. All right, let's get started.